Really excited to be out here with Vivid Roots and AOV. First time in Guatemala. These guys are doing fantastic work down there, really meaningful work, and I'm just stoked to be a part of this project and really excited to be able to document this and show the world what these guys are up to and the positive change that they're creating in the world around us.
Acatenango is a wonderful volcano. I hope that you guys enjoying it.
Vamos! Vamos! Made it to the camp. Seriously, one of the most challenging things I've ever done. I'm so stoked. And we did it with the most amazing group.
Dude, this is nuts, man. One active volcano, another volcano, and another volcano over there.
Unreal.
Unbelievable.
Absolutely insane.
Unbelievable.
You're photographing a volcano right now. It's the wildest thing I've ever done. This is insane. Oh, we got sparks! Dude, Fuego just erupted, and we caught!
Let me see a little bit.
So vivid, bro. Hold on. Want me to punch in one time? Bow!
Unreal.
There she is. Fuego.
Nicely done. Nicely done.
Oh. It's 4 a.m. We're doing the last stretch, heading up to get the final view of Fuego. It's gonna be epic.
All right, so we made it to the top. Princey here, taking some shots. Muy bonito.
Oh, worth it.
Yeah, it's so pretty up here.
Pretty surreal.
Definitely worth it, yeah.
This is El Fuego. This is the emoji. Most amazing trip ever, dude. Like, dude, honestly, I don't know, man. Like, I'm about to tear up. Like, this is beautiful. I gotta cut this interview because I'm not gonna miss this to talk to this camera. Go! We did it!
Who's gonna face plant? Absolutely gorgeous, exhausted. But like one of those things, you feel super accomplished afterwards. Yeah, just don't want to leave. What's up, dudes? Now back down the mountain.
Adios! Adios, amigo!
We made it! Thank you, gracias. Acatenango, we did it. Heck yeah.